Greetings, my name is Patrick Phancao with the Asset Protection Center. I am an estate planning attorney focused in the field of asset protection and elder law out in the state of California and Florida. Let's talk about how Medi-Cal can be dangerous to your private or personal residence. Now, why is that? After all, if you qualify for Medi-Cal, your personal residence is exempt for qualification purposes. So what happens is this. The Medicaid applicant and their spouse feel safe and knows that the loved one that stays in the personal residence will have a place where he or she can reside and not have to worry about the medical expenses that will be incurred. That's a little deceiving, and I'll tell you why. Because once the Medicaid applicant qualifies, he or she can incur a hefty amount of medical expenses, as you can imagine. So the community spouse stays in the home. Now let's assume that the Medicaid applicant passes away first. The community spouse stays in the private residence, and there is no collection attempts in order to recoup the expenses that the government incurred to care for that individual. However, when that community spouse passes away, then this is when an estate recovery can be made on their personal residence. So, of course, the first question is, what happens to the beneficiaries? You have kids, I'm sure you have loved ones to whom you would have preferred to have left your residence or the equity within the residence to these individuals, as opposed to the government. Well, in order to prepare it in an ethical and a legal manner, you have to consult an elder law attorney. Do not attempt to make this move on your own because there are tax consequences in transferring property. So there are some ramifications to making any movement while there is the qualification and the payment process of Medi-Cal. So that's a pointer you want to keep in mind and understand why a private residence can still be exposed despite the individual's qualification for Medi-Cal. So hopefully that wasn't too confusing. But if you want to find out more, visit us at www.assetprotectioncenter.com or call me at 714-966-2646. I'm looking forward to speaking to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.